Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can convert your OpenAPI.yaml into a type. It's very simple. So first thing that you need to do is you need to create this file, which is OpenAPI.yaml, and then after that you need to put in your terminal npx, and then you use this package OpenAPI dash Typescript, and then this one is where you define your OpenAPI YAML file, and then after that you dash o, and then where you want to output the type. So after you done this, and then you just click enter, and then it will created the type. Okay, so the type will be live in this file where you have put, and then you can access it. So for example, how you can access the type is you can use import type, and then the one that they export is using path. Okay, so you use path, and then from types dash API. Okay, so let's say you want to have a schema for 200 response. For example, you can put like type user is equal to path, and then you can access through the path, and then after that you can use, like for example, the method that you use is get, and then you can access the response here. So there is a response. So when you refer here, the response is 200, right? So you can use here like 200, and content application.json. So if you refer here is application.json, and then after that you will get your response. Okay, either ID or username. Okay, so that's all about the type where you can convert the open API and to a type, and by using the npx TypeScript. Okay, so I think that's all for this tutorial. So I hope if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.